Kling O1 is a new creative tool. Instead of using difficult prompts, you can create in a natural way. You can describe a character, use an image, mix styles, or join different scenes. Kling O1 understands everything together and makes smooth, movie-like results. It has only been a few days since Kling introduced this model, and the results are truly remarkable. With simple text instructions, you can change the time of day, remove unwanted objects, or extend a scene while keeping your characters perfectly consistent across every shot. I've been testing the tool for some time, and I'm genuinely impressed. You can upload up to 7 different images and elements, and Kling O1 analyzes them all to produce a polished, cohesive output each time. In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use this tool to create stunning AI-powered videos.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
Click the link in the description below to visit the Higgsfield AI website. Start by signing up with your Gmail or any other email account. After logging in, you'll see this page. Before we move into the main workspace, it's important to note that Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling O1 generations to anyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plan by December 7th. Also, you can briefly reference the comparison graphic below. It demonstrates that Higgsfield currently has the lowest prices on the market. To get started, hover over the video section and select Kling O1 from the menu. This will take you to the main interface. After coming here, we will click on the Create Video button and test the image to video model first. Next, we will select Elements tab, then click on Upload and select Images and Elements. I will upload these 3 images. After that, go to the prompt box and type the prompt you want to see in the final video. I have entered a simple prompt for this example. In the Model section, the Kling O1 video model is already selected by default. Now go to Duration and choose a video length between 3 and 10 seconds. I will select 8 seconds. In the aspect ratio, we will select 16:9 from the 3 aspect ratios available here. Finally, click the Generate button. In a short time, the video is ready. Let's watch it. This is truly impressive. The quality is stunning, sharp, and highly detailed. Kling has done an excellent job blending all 3 images together. The way it brings the man, woman, and background scene into a single, seamless video is remarkable. The final result looks natural, visually rich, and incredibly well crafted. Now, let's try the start and end frame feature. Click on the Frames tab, upload the image you want to use as the start frame, and then upload the image for the end frame. In the prompt box, I will write, "Create a smooth transition." The woman from image 1 is walking toward the house in image 2, slowly zooming in. After that, simply click Generate and let Kling work its magic. And here is the final output. The result is genuinely remarkable. The camera movement is exceptionally smooth, creating a seamless transition as it moves steadily toward the house. Throughout the entire sequence, the video maintains impressive sharpness and clarity, keeping every detail intact. The lighting also adjusts beautifully, shifting naturally as the camera angle changes from frame to frame, which adds an extra layer of realism. Altogether, the final output feels truly cinematic, giving the video a highly polished and professional appearance. Now, let me show you the video edit feature. First, let's change the model to video edit from here. Next, upload your video. I've uploaded this one. Now let's give it a prompt. I'll write this prompt, change the background to a modern city, adding sleek glass buildings, soft ambient lights, and a sense of contemporary urban atmosphere. Leave the auto settings button enabled, so that it adjusts the duration and aspect ratio of your video to match the original video. Click the Generate button to begin the processing, and here is the final output. The environment swap is absolutely seamless. The original snowy backdrop is transformed into a bustling modern city. Remarkably, her hair, expression, and overall appearance remain perfectly consistent throughout the video. Even her movements are maintained frame by frame. The realism is completely intact, and the change in setting feels natural and fluid. Using Kling O1 video edit feature, the scene has been entirely reimagined while keeping the character and her actions exactly as they were. The result is nothing short of breathtaking. Now, let me try another video. First, we will upload the video that we want to modify. Next, we will upload the image that we want to incorporate into the final output of the video. After that, I will enter a detailed prompt specifying the desired changes. I want the background of the video to be replaced with the uploaded image, and I also want to change the girl's outfit. Finally, we will click the Generate Video button, and within a short time, the edited video will be ready. The final output is truly impressive. The image we uploaded has been seamlessly integrated into the background of the video, creating a natural and cohesive environment. At the same time, the girl's movements, including the subtle flow of her hair in the wind, have been perfectly preserved, just as they were in the original video. Following the instructions in our prompt, her outfit has been successfully changed to a brown jacket, resulting in a polished and highly realistic transformation. Overall, the combination of background replacement and outfit modification has produced a remarkable and visually engaging result. Now you can even change the entire style of a video with just a simple prompt. Let me show you how. In the prompt section, I'll enter a short instruction to update the video's style and then click Generate. And here's the result. Just look at this. The system effortlessly transforms the overall style while keeping the character and her movements perfectly intact. The best part is that there's no strange morphing, warping, or distortion. Everything remains clean, consistent, and remarkably natural. This feature works incredibly well. And that's Higgsfield Kling O1, a tool that turns workflows that once required hours of effort into creations you can produce in just seconds. Try it yourself and start creating stunning, professional-grade visuals with ease.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.